But you can hear me? Yes. Welcome to this very special conversation here at the second edition of the Red Sea International Film Festival. They always ask me what makes a cinema icon. And I always answer, it doesn't, it doesn't take an overnight success to be, So I answer, a cinema icon is not someone with an overnight success. To be an icon, you have to be talented, you have to be original, and you have to be enduring. And you, Shارون, are an icon. Welcome to the Red Sea International Film Festival, and thank you for talking to us today.
Yatikum alafia. And that's all I know.
More than enough.